This is not a drill, people. This is the real thing. That's crazy. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am naturally Curlysa. I just washed my hair because I'm going to be doing a wash and go using Tailored Beauty, the Moisturizing Mist, and the Perfect Coils curling jelly. My best friend Krista, shout out to you, actually told me about these products like 4 years ago, and I was still in school and I was broke, so I couldn't afford it. You may be asking, well, why didn't you buy them sooner? Because I didn't start documenting my journey until this year. I realized, like, let's just buy the products. So, and if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. Got a lot more content on there, pictures, all that good stuff. Alright, so I love this bottle. I bought this just because I love the bottle. The aesthetic of the bottle is just like, I just want to spray it. Doesn't it look sprayable? I mean, it is a spray bottle, but... Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, it smells really good. I gotta remember that it's not my spray bottle, that's real product, and it can be wasted. Can't get spray happy. Ooh, I already like it. It smells so good. It smells like rose water. Alright. It's just the spray, guys. It's just the spray. Alright, I'm gonna take this coiling jelly. I'm gonna rake it through my hair. I'm gonna take that much and rake it through the back. I think I'm gonna shingle a little bit too, just to further define these curls. Alright, so this is my first layer. This is not a cake. I don't know why I said layer. This is my first section. And already really defined. Whoa. It's amazing. Did you see that? Let's rewind that, shall we? It's not really a rewind, but I just wanted to show y'all again. That was... The definition is already crazy. I'm probably gonna diffuse this. Let's just do things that we've never done before. Well, y'all probably did, but I want to diffuse this. And then I want to band it and stretch my curls and see how this turns out. Because I'm a rebel and I want to do something different. Wow. I'll see you, Tailored Beauty. So far. I don't know what it looks like, guys. You guys do. You guys are seeing the exclusive footage, so. Oh. I was not ready for that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is not a drill, people. This is the real thing. That's crazy. That's crazy. Don't mind my face. I'm in awe right now. I'm watching as I go, like, oh my God, look at this. This is crazy. Okay. That's crazy balls. I'm all done. I'm feeling it. You're gonna have to see me. You're gonna have to see me today. I'm gonna try to diffuse. Let's diffuse, shall we? Alright, so my hair is about 80% dry. I diffused on high fan cold air. No heat at all. So it kept the moisture. I think the reason why I don't like to diffuse is because I like to do it on like warm or sometimes hot, and that heat dries my hair out. So I specifically kept it on cool. And I want to show you guys what it's looking like so far. I have some volume. I also have a little shrinkage, so we're going to take care of that by banding my hair. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm lying. The second time I wake up in the morning, because I get up to take Eris to school and then I'm off tomorrow, so I'm finna come back and sleep until God knows when. So the second time I wake up, I record and show you guys what my hair looks like after I band it. But this right here, I don't even gotta say it. Alright, so these are my final results. My hair is completely dry. My hair still feels super soft. And I do have a lot of volume from me shingling my hair and diffusing. So that might be a new combo that I do, especially when I do my hair late at night. But I'm gonna show y'all the back. I'm feeling it. Alright, so that's all I got. And I'll see y'all in the next video.